Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset location and privacy settings on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to go to the general, so this icon right here. Then you want to swipe all the way down and find transfer or reset iPhone. So click on this one and then just click on the reset. And here you are going to find reset location and privacy. So after clicking, you are going to be asked, are you sure? And this will reset your location and privacy settings to factory defaults. So if you set some, location and privacy settings on variable apps to the different, settings than usual, and then the factory ones you have set, some privacy settings to different ones, this all is going to be resetted to factory defaults. So again, general, all the way down, transfer, reset iPhone, reset, and then reset location and privacy. So this, after clicking this one, you are going to be asked again or not, depends. Just follow the steps if you want to reset those settings. I don't want to do this right now, but this is how you can do it. And thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!